Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 live for free anywhere. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to open our browser. Now, if you are using a phone or a TV, so this will also work. So you just have to follow my steps right here. So once you are now on your browser, what we're going to do first is to search for ITVX and then click on enter. Now, keep in mind that ITVX is from United Kingdom, and if you are outside from United Kingdom, so you won't be able to play videos right here. So if you click this, so you won't be able to play videos right here. So if we click this, and then as you can see, if you click on cancel, and then if you click on play, you will be able to see a notification that says you won't be able to watch this because you're outside from UK. Now, to override this notification right there, of course, you can just use VPN right there. So you just have to download VPN and then, of course, change your location to United Kingdom. But if you don't want that, there is an alternative way, which is going right here on YouTube TV and then click on enter. And then if you click on this, you'll be able to watch FIFA World Cup for free. So you just have to, of course, try this for 21 days for just $0. So you just have to sign in into your account. And then once you do that, you will now be able to watch it for free. And then alternatively, again, you can also look for alternatives right here. So once you're now here, you just have to scroll down and then just click the first link right here. And then in this part, you'll now be able to see the broadcasters or streaming platforms in each country. So as you can see right here in Mexico, these are the streaming platforms that will stream FIFA World Cup. Same goes for this one. So let's say, for example, that we are from India. So you will see this one right here. So you just have to try it and see if they are free or require subscription. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.